Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Vairagya, yes. Vairagya Vidya Nija Bhakti Yogam Shikhartham Eka Purusha Purana Sri Krishna Chaitanya Shariradhari Kipam Budhijya Stamaham. So Sri Krishna Chaitanya is the same Krishna, Purana Purusha, Adam Purana Purusha. Purana Purusha means Krishna, the original personality of God. Very old. Purana means very old. Vairagya Vidya Shikhartham, because we are suffering here on account of so many designations. So Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to purify us from all these nonsense designations. That is called Vairagya Vidya. Raga means attachment. So, and viraga, this false attachment we have to give up. That is practically being manifested by practical life. How to love Krishna, how to approach him. That is the characteristic of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and therefore he is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, Krishna Varnam Tisha Krishna. Krishna Varnam, he belonged to the same category, Krishna, or he is describing Krishna always. His only business is to describe Krishna. But his complexion is not Krishna, Akrishna. Akrishna, there Akrishna means white, because Krishna had many colors. One of the color was Pito, golden avatar. So, Tisha Krishnam Sangapangasta Parsadam. This Sangapangasta Parsadam is described here, that Gurun, Isham, Isha Bhaktan, Isha Avatarakan, Tat Prakasangscha, Tat Shakti. This is Sangapanga. So, study this Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Now we have got this English edition, very elaborately described, following the footsteps of our Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Prabhupada. So, there is no such edition of Chaitanya Charitamrita, very elaborately described, but it can be understood by the advanced student. It can be, and so advanced student, anyone you can become advanced. Advanced means at least one should understand that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. If you simply understand these two words, that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God, then you are advanced. It is not very difficult. Everything, all Vedic literature, they are meant for understanding Krishna. Vedaischa sarvai ahameva vedam. So if you simply understand, what is that understanding? That Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. We have written in our Krishna book, Krishna the Supreme Personality. If you become convinced, then your study of Vedas finished. Stepus tapaste sushnurajya. Anyone who understands Krishna, what is that understanding? Krishna says, Matta paradaram nanna kinchijasti dhananjaya. My dear Arjuna, there is no more superior authority or person or truth than myself. Matta paratarang nanya kinchi sasti dhanam. These few words, if you simply understand, blindly or openly, it doesn't matter. Because if you touch fire, either blindly or openly, it will act. It will act. It is not that because I have blindly accepted Krishna as the Supreme Person, that will not act. No, it will act. Even if you have accepted Krishna blindly, it will act. Because the thing is the same. Either you accept in open eyes or blind eyes. So similarly, if you accept this theory, this is not theory, this is fact, that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. These few words. Then you are advanced to it. Immediate. Take it from me. That simply this conviction that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Then you are advanced to that in spiritual life. So, all these persons associate with Krishna, Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Sri Nityananda, Sri Advaita, and Gadadhar and Srivas, all of them, they are one. One in this sense, they are all interested how to push on Krishna consciousness. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is trying personally, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Prabhu, Srivas, Gadadhar, they are trying to help. And to approach all these five Supreme Persons, you require the help of Guru. Therefore, the Guru is offered first the respectful prayers, Bandi Guru. Gurun, Bahuvachan, plural number, there are many Gurus, but they are not many, they are one, Guru Tattva. Just like Krishna has many forms, but that does not mean Krishna is different. No, Krishna is one. Similarly, Guru, there may be many Gurus, it doesn't matter. But their philosophy must be one, to teach everyone that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. There may be thousands of Gurus, but the Guru's business is to teach the disciple that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. That is the test of it. If Guru is teaching something else nonsense, then he is not good. Guru nasasyat satkarma nipuna vipra mantra tantra visharad. A Brahmana is very expert in his business, in Vedic culture, Vedic mantras, tantras. That is the taste of the Brahmana, that he is very learned. So Satkarma, Nipuna, Vipra, Mantra, Tantra, Visharad. Visharad is very expert. Avaishnava Guru Nasasyat. But if he does not know what is Krishna, or if he is not a devotee of Krishna, he cannot become Guru. Shad Vaishnava Sapacha Guru. But one person who is coming from the family of dog eaters, the dog eaters, they are considered to be the lowest of the human beings. So, sapacha means, sa means dog, and pacha means eater or cooker. So sapacha, even a person is coming from the sapacha family, and if he is a Vaishnava, if he is a devotee of Krishna, he can become Guru. On the other side, even born in a Brahmin family and very expert in Vedic ritualistic performances, mantra, tantra, visharada, he cannot become Guru if he does not understand Krishna. So, therefore, Guru is very important. because he has accepted Krishna, Tattvadarshi, he has seen the truth, so therefore Guru is first offered. This is the taste of Guru. Guru does not become Krishna himself, but he canvasses door to door to induce that you become devotee of Krishna. This is sign of Guru. Bandi Guru Nisham. Ishabhava. Then we shall describe later. Thank you very much.